Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, we are going forward to the third one, content. What is this? Smileys. Here you can add or delete smileys from your forum. Attachments. When attachments found or attachments in your threads and in resources, then it will show here, I think. And tags, no tag generated. Reactions, like when someone like the post, positive +1 point, +1 point, this one +1 point, neutral, neutral, neutral. Okay. And bb code, I also did not just uh, experienced this one. We will do this in next videos, inshallah. Okay. And let's go for this one in next video. So this is today's video in which we discussed this content tab in XenForo. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.